up, peoples? I want to sing another oldie. And this song, I think it's a breakup song. Just by listening to the lyrics and singing it, it's more like a breakup song between a relationship where family comes first. Bing araw sa mua man mua ay gulialo fi king if you come on. If I'm a mama papa, okay. Nothing is gonna work. So let's do this. Está.